What is up? Welcome to a special edition of Limitless Lifestyle Crew TV, LLC TV. I'm your host, JT, JTown32, and these are my 11s. Before we get into my 11s, please follow Limitless Lifestyle Crew on Instagram as well as visit the webpage at limitlesslifestylecrew.com. All right, so I wanted to do something special here. I've been seeing the 11 on 11, 11 for 11, 11 on 11 series for the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees that will be releasing tomorrow. Hopefully you've already secured your pair. If not, good luck tomorrow. You should be able to get some if you stay diligent and actually want the shoe. So just be on the lookout. So I wanted to, of course, introduce myself, tell about my story with the Jordan brand, and so forth and so on. So obviously my name is JT and I'm from Saginaw, Michigan. Love it there, love Michigan in general, and definitely love being from Saginaw. So I am a freelance consultant, content creator. I dabble into all things business, style, creativity, sports as well. So I tend to think of myself as with the creative side. A lot of that comes with how I tend to style myself, and with that, obviously the Jordan brand has so much to do with my styling as well. So for the Jordan brand, my introduction to the Jordan brand, I think is as early as I can remember, to be quite honest. I think I was probably about 2 or 3 years old, born in late 80s. So I didn't get to see Jordan's first year or anything like that. And I can hardly remember some of his early years, but I do have a picture of myself in a elementary school hallway before I was in school. I was probably about 3 with a pair of grade 5s on. And I remember that because I had like the crazy shorts to go with it. It was just insane, man. But a pair of grade 5s on. My first introduction to the Jordan 11 was May of '95. I remember I was 6 years old at the time. And I remember the Ahmad Rashad intro right before the game, shooting pretty much, talking about the game, talking about Michael Jordan. He had just made the switch from number 45 to 23. And even though he made that change to his jersey number, the back of the shoe still read 45. So I remember that distinctly. I remember Ahmad Rashad flexing his pair at the end of the interview, saying, of course, since he won't be needing the old pairs, I have his on here. And he had a pair of Jordans on, of Concords on. Jordan that game, I think he had on a black iteration of it. I'm not sure if they were quite Brids or quite Space Jams, but he had a black iteration of the Jordan 11 at the time. So that is my very first memory of the Jordan 11. To me, the Jordan 11 just signifies the crossover between, on court and just fashion in general. This is a shoe that you can wear with anything. As you see, people still hoop in it. We get different versions of it every year. And for me, probably my favorite is probably going to be this cool gray. I just like that gray tonal color. And then after the cool gray, it's hard to pick between either of these, but just knowing that I can dress these up, down, or if I felt like hooping in them, I could do that. Around holiday season, it's amazing every year to see what the Jordan brand does as far as, coming up with 11s. It's crazy because we all know, we count down the time, the days until, okay, what's going to be the holiday release? What's going to be the holiday release for the 11s this year? I have pretty much every holiday release from the last, 12 or so years. I have every holiday release. So I can say that I'm truly blessed in that standpoint. And a lot of it goes to my mom. I remember the DMP pack coming out, and I went to a store about 45 minutes away from where I stayed. She woke me up in the morning, we went, and truth be told, they probably wouldn't have got me the shoes if my mom wasn't with me. So just appreciating little things, little stories that I get to share with my mom over Jordan 11s. That is something that, is priceless. Can't take that back, can't ever forget those memories. But also remember seeing the Space Jam on TV, watching the movie and seeing these and how it made you feel. overall, I think going forward, the Jordan 11, 25 years from now, it's kind of crazy to think because sneakers have gotten so big, but 25 years from now, these things will be in museums all across the world. They are that big. This shoe literally changed it from being hoop shoes to, okay, I need a pair of sneakers. This shoe, the 11, did that. So thankful to have the DMP pack and have pretty much, like I said, I got all of them from the anniversaries before the all white Concord, the all white 11s. I don't have them here with me, but that's because I got a lot of stuff split between here and my childhood home. But at either rate, I'm excited to see what the next 25 years has in store for the Jordan brand, and what they have in store for me as well, as I continue to embark down this journey of buying Jordan 11s, and not just Jordan 11s. If you see behind me, Jordan 1s, all of that good stuff as well. But this has been my pretty much sneakers video, and I wanted to submit that to Jumpman. Appreciate you all. Have a good one.